All right, it's been a whole week since we've had any precipitation in Flagstaff, and it seems like that was kind of something new for us as we were kind of rainy around here as we got into the end of the monsoon there. But lovely weather around here for the last week with temperatures hanging in there well above average today. No exception, 67, 62 is the average for this time of year, 78 the record high set back in 1973. A very mild early morning low overnight last night as I'm guessing, I guess the breeze was going out there last night and keeping things a little bit more mild, maybe a little cloud cover as well. But that's way above average there with our early morning low of 47 degrees this morning at Flagstaff Pulliam Airport. All right, across the map here, today's high temperatures running 8 degrees above average, still a little bit on the warm side down the desert. 92 in Phoenix today, 77 Payson, 81 in Sedona. It was 80 up on Hopi, 83 in Winslow. Everybody's seeing some gusty afternoon winds out of the southwest today as the storm track's way off to our north. Very typical here for fall to be in these kind of breezy afternoons. And here we take a look at it on the Pacific satellite. And here's this whole storm track that really barreled into the Pacific Northwest over the weekend. I just mentioned that they were seeing storm totals from Northern California all the way up the coast into Washington of 10 to 20 inches of rainfall. The higher amounts obviously in the coastal mountain ranges, and there's another storm moving in there as we speak. But this is the storm system that's just off to our north, way northern Rockies, bringing us the breezy day out there today. Tomorrow, no issues with the wind, a lovely fall day out there, very similar temperatures of what we saw today. But this is the next storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest, and this is going to change things up for us a little bit come tomorrow night and into the day on Wednesday. When you look at this and you see all this kind of popcorn kind of cloud cover, it's very indicative of very cold air moving in off the Pacific into the Pacific Northwest. What you have is cold air on top of warmer ocean water, and that warm ocean water wants to convect and lift and cause some showery type precipitation. Now, of course, I look at the atmospheric models and I see that there's some cold air coming in, and then it makes sense when I come out here and I see this kind of thing going on. What's going to happen for us is by tomorrow night, cold air starts to filter in, and a very weak cold front sags in Arizona tomorrow night and Wednesday, and that will turn our temperatures around. It'll cool us off with a cool northerly breeze, particularly tomorrow night through the day on Wednesday, continuing on a Thursday. We'll cool temperatures off. And then we get into the weekend, and it looks like we're warming things back up once again for another very great looking fall weekend way out in the distance. All right, 57 degrees for us outside right now, clear skies, and the wind southwest at 18. Today, I checked, winds were gusting right up around 35, 36 miles per hour for us across much of northern and central Arizona. That wind will diminish here overnight tonight, 38 degrees. Our early morning low under clear skies tomorrow, much less windy with a high temperature of 66 degrees forecast for us in Flagstaff. Sunrise at 6:36. Statewide temperatures tomorrow, similar to today's temperatures without the wind. 80 degrees, Sedona tomorrow, 76 Prescott, Payson 77, Winslow 80. All right, tomorrow night, I think the wind really does pick up during the overnight and continuing into the day on Wednesday. That kind of cool northerly wind, and you see our temperatures kind of come back down to earth, back down to average, and then bump them way back up here by the end of the week and the coming weekend.